Alright, let's talk about Google's new AI mode because if you're into tech, you've probably heard the hype, but what's it actually about? So what is Google's AI mode? Imagine a search engine that doesn't just spit out links, but actually understands what you're asking and responds like a real conversation. That's the future Google's aiming for, right inside their search, maps, and other products. How does it pull this off? Well, Google's using some hefty large language models. Think of them as the brains behind the operation, kind of like ChatGPT, but with Google's live data powering the answers. You type in your question and the AI digs into Google's huge info vault to deliver a human-sounding response in real time. So what can you actually ask it? Honestly, almost anything. You can plan a trip, get dinner recipes, ask for homework help, or even troubleshoot tech problems. It's like a supercharged assistant at your fingertips, no more endless scrolling for that one answer you need. But let's talk accuracy. Google says its new AI mode is pretty sharp since it's plugged into up-to-date info and advanced algorithms. Still, it's not perfect. Sometimes it might throw out something outdated or just plain wrong. So, if you're looking up something critical, double-check it's smart, but not infallible. Now I know privacy is a big deal. Google claims your searches are anonymized and your personal data stays protected. They might use what you ask to make the AI smarter, but your details aren't for sale. Plus, you get control over your privacy settings and can see your own activity. That's a win for anyone who's cautious about their data. How does this stack up to the competition? Well, you've got ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Apple's Siri in the mix. The big edge here is that Google's AI mode is built right into services you already use, search, maps, and more. That means answers that aren't just smart, but also up to the minute and super relevant. Of course, no AI is perfect. Google's AI mode can still make mistakes, sometimes called hallucinations, where it invents plausible sounding but incorrect info. That's just the nature of the tech right now, so use your judgment. There are some limits too. It might struggle with really niche or sensitive topics, or get tripped up by vague questions. And it's not a substitute for advice from an actual doctor or lawyer, so don't use it for life-changing decisions. Looking ahead, Google's rolling out constant updates. They're promising deeper personalization, smoother device integration, and more language options. As of now, you can use AI mode on mobile and desktop, and it's getting smarter with every update. Bottom line, Google's new AI mode is changing the way we search and interact online. It's powerful, it's evolving, but remember, it's a tool, not a crystal ball. So ask away, but always keep your brain engaged. If you've tried it out, let me know what the wildest thing you've asked was. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.